Let's see which toy this baby lion likes. Drag one over to try. It doesn't seem interested in this toy. That was fun for a bit. Baby lions have a lot of energy for playing. It loves this toy. Baby lions like to practice hunting. This little one is wiggly. Tap the different sounds buttons to help it stay still for weighing. Not quite its vibe. The cub likes this sound, but it won't keep still. Calm and happy. This sound is perfect. Snack time. Drag a snack to see how they react. Oh no, that snack does not work for lions. They eat meat. Yum, that's a favorite. Lions need to eat meat. A nice little snack. Meat is good for lions, big and small.
Like and subscribe.
Mommy.